thing our rishis wants us to do, our enlightened masters wants us to do is, first thing, bring your body and mind under your control. First, learn how to live with your body and mind. Gayatri Mantra is owner's manual for body and mind. If you have a car, owner's manual is a basic need. Without owner's manual, if you start driving a car, it is whose mistake? It is your mistake. All the vehicles you can see, on the airbag there will be a small note. It may cause serious injury. Don't put kids in front. Kids below the 12 should not sit. And there are some serious important instructions, warnings. Same way, and there will be one more warning. Read owner's manual to know more about the airbag. Same way, the moment you enter into the body, around the age of 7 only, you start handling your body. Till the age of 7, you start living only in the instinct level. Only at the age of 7, your intellect starts working. You start making decisions. The moment you start making decisions, first thing you should know is how to bring body and mind under your control. That is the reason the Vedic masters, they teach us to awaken the intelligence, to awaken the consciousness. Before entering into the car, read owner's manual. Before entering into the body and mind, master your consciousness. First thing you are taught is to bring the body and mind under your control. To bring the body and mind under your control so that you can handle them. You can start working with them. Arjuna starts. Arjuna uvacha prakritim purushan chaiva kshetram kshetranyameva cha yedat vedidumicchami jnanam jnaya cha keshava. Sri Bhagavan uvacha. Bhagavan gives the reply. Idam sariram kaundeya kshetramitya vidiyate yedatyo vedidam prahu kshetrajna idi tatvitaha. Let me give you the translation. Arjuna asks, Krishna, I wish to know about the nature of Prakriti and nature of Purusha. I wanted to know the Kshetra and Kshetrajna. I wanted to know the body and mind, which is Kshetra, consciousness, which is Kshetrajna. I wanted to know about the vehicle and owner, field and the knower of the field. Please reveal the secrets to me. And Krishna starts his explanations. Oh, Kaundeya means son of Kundi. Oh, Arjuna, this body is called the field. The person who knows this body, who feels this body, is knower of the field. Kshetrajna. Please understand, whatever you know is not you. If you can know something, it is not you. I can read because this is away from me. If you can know this body, this is not you. If you can know your mind, your thoughts, that is not you. If you can know your emotions, please be very clear, that is not you. Whatever is known by you is not you. You are away from that. You are above that. That is why you are able to know that. Whether it is body, thought, or your emotions, whatever is known by you is not you. Here he says, the body is Kshetra, means the matter, field. The consciousness is Kshetrajna. Who experiences the body is knower of the field. Now, we need to separate these two. Once we separate these two, body also will be blissful, joyful, consciousness also will be liberated. When these two joins, that is where the problem starts. That is where the trouble starts. The one-liner, one guy says, my sign is earth, my wife's sign is water, we both make mud. My sign is earth, my wife's sign is water, we both make mud. As water is beautiful, as earth it is beautiful. When they both join, that is where we make mud. As a consciousness, it is beautiful. As a body, it is beautiful. When they both meet, that is where the trouble starts. Here all we need to know, understand the field and the knower. What is you and what is not you? That is what we need to understand.